Hi there!
Hi guys!
What are we doing today?
We are so excited. We're picking blueberries. Our blueberries are finally ripening. We have been eagerly waiting for these bushes to have ripe blueberries, and they are just exploding right now. And Luca is helping me pick. Can you pick these? We wanted to show you guys. Can you pick that one?
Can you say pick?
How much we are enjoying this and just what they look like right now, and just encourage you guys on day 2 of Healthy Family Tips to grow your own food. It's so exciting. It's one of our favorite things to do, and you probably all know it's our passion. We talk about it a lot, but we're trying to show you ways to do that, and we'll show you throughout the summer that exactly different ways, but really makes a difference when you grow your own food, and just the nutrients and lack of having chemicals in. So we encourage you guys to do that. Have fun with your kids. You can see how much he's enjoying it. You can see our garden in the background there.
Yeah, let me show you guys. I want to show you some stuff. Because we love to grow. You want to come with? There's one blueberry bush behind me. We actually have 3. And I know when we say grow your own food, people are like, well, I don't have enough space for 3 blueberry bushes and all that. But you can grow stuff in containers. We have sunflowers here in our garden. But you can also grow tomatoes in containers. You can grow zucchini in containers, cucumbers. We have this bed here, raised garden bed. A whole bunch of herbs. Some chamomile, some basil, parsley, mint, all that good stuff. We have a whole bunch of other stuff coming here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Some zucchini. We got coming. We got just a lot of food coming. And it looks little right now because it's all in a baby state. But when it comes, we'll have lots of pickings. But we're going to continue to pick some blueberries. Just wanted to share with you guys what we're doing. Show them that handful of beautiful blueberries.
Yum! We're gonna go enjoy these. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope that you guys are encouraged to grow your own food. Take care. Bye!
Bye!